Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with UK FTSE futures. A reactionary combined bullish piercing line pattern and bullish double yesterday. This is hardly surprising as the market yesterday and Monday had started to approach the lower time, currently 74.24, of the September to late November 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. Plus, just below this lower time, we had the combination of the middle time, currently at 73.82, of the bullish Schiff pitchfork for the same move, plus its partner since October of last year, the rising short medium moving average, currently also at 73.82. It still seems as if the market still hasn't decided which of the two bullish pitchforks it really wishes to follow, the acute Andrews or the less acute Schiff. So far today, not that much. We've had a move higher and lower, though limited in both directions. In part, this is due to the overhead resistance of the upper time, currently at 76.14, of the bullish Schiff pitchfork, as well as a reluctance to try back down again after what happened yesterday. German DAX futures. A bullish white Mariposa yesterday, which was a follow-on to the previous session's bull hammer pattern. Overall, there is still the question out there I had posed previously, though less well defined as time carries on. It is to look at the whole 2022 action so far as a possible bear flag type action in construction. Whilst it is not constructed, it still is just clinging on as an idea. It really is just clinging on. Hence, the provisional target on the X on the downside in the 14,860 area has been achieved, whilst the secondary target X1 is still outstanding in the 14,400 area. This is by no means a done deal, as it does not look that good a pattern, but it is still there, if only just. I would also add as a counter that the action since mid-January is increasingly looking like a possible double bottom Adam and Adam type. Now, so far today, a higher open and an attempt higher. However, this has seen prices pull back down again, as overhead we have a mess of Fibonacci resistance between 15,592 to 15,620, plus a projected 50% Fibonacci line at 15,629. That is why today is looking a lot like an indecisive spinning top right now. US E-mini S&P futures. A reactionary bullish engulfing pattern yesterday, despite the previous session being an indecisive spinning top. The reason for the reactionary label was that prices pulled back up on Monday and to a certain degree followed on higher yesterday after Monday's action halted just ahead of some congestion support from 3 weeks ago in the 43.50 area. This congestion is part of a wider area, a quite wide area, between 42.60 and the 2021 38.2% Fibonacci line at 44.40. Now, the reason prices halted their rise yesterday was also simple. Overhead, we have the rising long moving average, currently at 44.79. So a pretty wide margin, but still the market is caught between support and resistance. Finally, I note the small double top, more accurately a cat's ears pattern formed over the past 2 weeks. I'm unsure about this pattern, but I will nevertheless give a provisional target X in the 4300 area, just in case. So far today, a slightly lower open, followed by a test up to the long moving average, followed by a rejection, leading to the market hanging around about where it started today, and looking like an indecisive doji cross right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.